Hi, I'm here. It's me again. Now, this is my sister, my tita, and my brother. Did you see him? It's so funny. What are you talking about? What is it, Korean? Japanese? Tokyo? What? I love ayoko na oy. I love okay, now we're going here. Sit up. Okay. This is our whole house. I'm back, so did you get everything? Now this is sorry. I forgot it. This is my family's picture. Look at it. This is Lola, Happy Hosmilio Brillantes, and this is Lola Boy. And this is my Lola, and this is Lola Evelyn, right? Now we're off the light. And now, this is our computer. And this is my Lola, right? This is my Lola. So handsome, but she's and this is Lola Boy. Lola Boy. So handsome, right? And now this is my family again. Tita Hannah and Lola. And this is Lola Happy Brillantes near you birth certificate application. And this is our kitchen. So nice here. This is our rest, a little food. Here. So, okay. Let us relax Aaron, so we are here, right? And this is our 3-box and Sunday morning again, right? So I will have brunch, yeah. Okay? Bye! See you later!